Shoot a ball, man. My niggas know what's up. My niggas know what's up. Keep quiet, don't speak. Shoot a ball, been that nigga, man, since a youngin'. The shit you niggas doing now, nigga, ain't nothing. You run up on me, man, and I'ma start bustin'. Got all my bros with me, and all my niggas clutching. My niggas never weak. We put niggas to sleep. Just capped a sucker nigga early last week. When the boys bring you in, hold water, don't speak. Cause you can go down for 15 to 20. They just don't wanna hear shit unless you talking money. My niggas out here rocking, man, it ain't shit funny. My niggas know what's up, you see me, you better duck. Cause shoot a boy, that type of nigga that will fuck you up. I'm gone off this lean, the shit up in my cup. These niggas, man, they sneak diss, but I don't give a fuck because my niggas know what's up. My niggas know what's up. The shit is really real, man. My niggas know what's up. Shout out to my nigga Kills. Shout out to my nigga T9. Shout out to my nigga Wallow. Shout out to my nigga Two Said C motherfucking money, man. Shouts out to all my niggas, man. It's really real.